Hello, in today's video I'm going to demonstrate how you can use the shell feature in SolidWorks. The shell feature appears up here on the features menu, and if you select that you'll be given in the properties box some places to click. Now over here it says faces to remove. This model that I've got here, I'm going to show first of all what would happen if we removed this face here. If you haven't already, you should tick the show preview, and then in the parameters here you can change the thickness of the shell. I'm going to change that to 3 millimeters, and then you'll see that preview is going to remove all of this material in between those yellow lines. So I'll go ahead and click the tick or the OK, and there you have it. The shell is completed. An interesting note here is that the shell has done a wonderful job here of radiusing out against that fillet that was in there, although these other fillets are much smaller, so that has left us with sharp edges inside. So what if we wanted to actually shell that from a different face? What if we wanted to shell it and have it open from the top here? Well, what you can do is you can click on the feature and then click the Edit Feature tab. Over in the parameters box, we can remove that face, and instead I'll choose this face. Once again, I'm going to show a preview. You'll see that the material to be removed is between here and here, and you'll see now that the shell has hollowed out the inside of that. Just to show you what that would look like, I'll put this into wireframe mode, and let's look at it from the front there. So there you have it. That's the shell feature in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you next time.